If you're a lady and you're a black lady, either you're from a Nigeria or any part of African country, if you reside in social media, you will hear your fellow ladies shouting Bola Bekus over the internet without any form of remorse, no fear, no shame. They decide to teach you how to do the do when they cannot give you any substantial advice, like financial advice that can lift you out of that poverty lane. The only thing they are telling you is how to use Bola and how to use Bekus. It's a shame. I don't have much to tell you. The only thing I'm going to say is watch out and learn something better, not Bekus or Bola. I'm out of here.